Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy content that's clear and actually helpful, don't forget to subscribe. I share videos you can really use. Let's get started.
Adding your GoDaddy email to Apple Mail is straightforward. First, open the Mail app on your Mac. From the menu bar, click Mail, then select Add Account. Choose Other Mail Account from the options and click Continue. A new window will appear. Enter your full name, your GoDaddy email address, and your GoDaddy email password. Then, click Sign In. Apple Mail might struggle to connect automatically. If you see Unable to verify account name or password, don't worry. This is where you manually input the server settings. For account type, select IMAP for better syncing across devices, or iPop if you prefer to download emails to your Mac only. Your incoming mail server for IMAP will be imap.secureserver.net. If you chose POP, use pop.secureserver.net. The outgoing mail server for sending emails is smtp.secureserver.net. For both username and fields, use your complete GoDaddy email address. Enter your GoDaddy email password in the password field. Double-check all entries for accuracy. Once everything is correct, click Sign In again. Apple Mail should now successfully verify your account. Finally, select the applications you want to use with this email, typically just a mail, and click Done. Your GoDaddy email inbox will now appear in Apple Mail, ready for use. You can start sending and receiving emails immediately.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.